All right, hello everyone. We have an Omega de Ville. This client sent the whole box to me with the papers and everything. So, oh boy, he wanted something a little different. I mean, this watch is barely worn, but it starts to show signs of cracking and aging on the straps. So that's because of the deploying clasps. This gets tucked under, and it does get chewed up uh, with uh, with use. So yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. That's a nice looking watch right there. Got the dual coaxial movement. Yeah, it goes for about $7,000. But yeah, he wanted something a little different. So what I have here, instead of using Butero like I usually do, I'm using Pueblo leather this time. It's a little bit softer compared to the stiff strap, but it actually has that distressed look that looks like suede, but it's not really suede. It's tougher than suede, but yeah, it's gonna look nice. So let me model this up. I mean, I already know his size based on the hole that he uses this. So I'm gonna size it up in the computer and cut this out on the laser. Right. So yeah, let's go. We have the dimensions of all the stitching spacing, all the cutouts and everything. So that's the fore strap. That is the back strap where the deploying buckle is gonna be. Right, from here it goes to the laser. I'm gonna put my branding, my logo, and his initials. Everything on the left hand side that you see here will be shown on the inside of the strap. So once this is folded, it's not gonna be seen. The outside over here is gonna be all plain, no logos, no markings. We're gonna keep it classy. It is, after all, dressier watch than your average, sports watch or diver. So yeah, that's what it's gonna be. I'm gonna send it over to the laser and have this cut up pretty quick. I got a piece of Pueblo leather here, chocolate color. It's actually dark chocolate color, so it's a darker brown. Have it held up with some magnets. Let's get it cut up. All right. That looks pretty good. Let's do a little bit of wiping and we'll start gluing this together. All right. This came out pretty nice. This Pueblo leather is really nice. It's got the suede distress look without the glossiness of regular leather. Gives it a nice vintage, more elegant, formal look to the straps. So I decided to go with a rounded corner instead of my normal chamfer single edge corner, and that's because it's gonna be tucked under, on the Omega deployment clasp. So it will be much more comfortable at the end, and much more manageable when it comes to sizing it on the clasp. So that's the back side, initials, very subtle, and my logo on the inside. All right, so before we move forward and glue this together like I normally do, I have added a strip of a stretch proof It's like a Tyvek material that I sourced, and this will help with the stretching over time, since this is not as tough as Butero, because part of the top grain has been you know worked on to get this this stretch look. So again, this is just, it's not necessary, but I'm just gonna add it there on both sides just to prevent stretching over time. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and glue this together like this. You guys seen this many times. All right, I think the glue has been dry. I have it in my gluing jig. Let's open my toggle clamps. All right, pretty cool. I just gotta clean the edges up, do a little beveling. With this tool, you guys seen in other videos, and we're gonna burnish it with some Taconol and throw some stitches on this. Compared to an unfinished edge. All right, everything has been burnished. Edges looking nice. For the thread color, I went with this white color. It matches quite well with the dial. So that's what we're gonna do. It's 0.55 millimeters, so it should work really well with the 4mm spacing on the stitching. So let's stitch it up. All right, let's get this stitched up. Excuse my neighbors, the kids are going a little crazy in the background. It's a nice day today. They were outside playing, so. All right, let's get this started. All right, we finished stitching both straps. This came out to be absolutely beautiful. Little close up. All right, let's go ahead and remove the factory strap from the deploying buckle and throw this one in. All right, there you have it. Nicely finished. Nice little close up here. This is beautiful. This one like that. All the clearances, no excess, as you can see. The old one went all the way up to here. This one covers slightly past the metal, so there's no metal to skin contact, and I makes it very comfortable. Again, there's no excess here, so it won't be pinching on the side of your wrist. So again, this is size to the client. You know, everyone's wrist is different, so pretty good. Let's put it back in the box. All right, back in the box. All straps, we're just gonna stick them right here by the books. Ship this back. Until next time, peace out.